Shibasish. Today we are studying general knowledge plant kingdom. To start the video, a dash is a thick continuous layer of foliage formed by the uppermost branches of a group of trees. The answer is canopy. Next, dash gets its name because of the movement of its leaves that mimic animal sensitivity. Most species of this plant are herbs, some are woody climbers, and a few are trees. They are often pickled. The answer is mimosa. Mimosa. The answer is mimosa. Next. Leaves are green in color due to the presence of a natural green substance called dash that taps green from sunlight. Very easy. Chlorophyll. Next, a dash is an organ within the cells of plants. A dash is an organ within the cells of plants which conduct photosynthesis. The answer is chloroplast. Chloroplast. Next, on the surface of a leaf are many pores known as dash. It functions as a passage for the movement of carbon dioxide and oxygen in and out of the leaf. The answer is stomata. Tomato. Next page. Next page. Match the image of the following trees of their names. First, this tree. All of you can see. This is spine tree. I write one. Next, this. Guess what is this? This is bubble tree. 2. Next, what is this? It is neem tree. Next, it is very easy. Coconut tree. Next, what is this? This is banana tree. Next, what is this? This is rubber tree. So first this photo is pine tree. Second, this photo is bubble tree. Third, this photo is neem tree. Fourth, this photo is coconut tree. Fifth, this photo is banana tree. Sixth, this photo is rubber tree. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. Like, subscribe, share to your friends.